Yeah, he's not going fast. I think these guys down here need some help. They look like they're pretty deep up in the mud. Yeah, so we over here trying to help out these guys. They drove into the lake. Got a little bit deep into, yeah, you got to be careful with this mud stuff right here. I think I'll probably pull them out with the either the winch, but you guys don't have the. I'm gonna use the rope, the saw shackle. It doesn't have the part to connect into the tow hitch, but it should work. You got it on reverse? Oh yeah, I'm not trying to go. Can you step on the gas a little bit? There you go. Okay. No, straight, yeah. Keep it straight. Reverse. There you go. Should be good, right?
Thank you, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, bro.
You're welcome. You good? You can get out of that, right? All right. I'm gonna help them out. Hopefully they got a tow hitch. Looks like they probably do in the back.
Damn, what made them do?
And then they got kids in the thing back there.
Oh man.
Yeah, hold on.
Dang. Oh. No, I'm like sinking. No, this is straight mud.
Step on the gas a little bit as I'm pulling.
Leave your phone in the car and go play.
I'm gonna pull out your winch. See if you can pull yourself up towards that tree over there. Yeah, your wheels are just spinning. Yeah, now Tony's stuck. He's gonna pull out his winch. Now it looks like Danny's like sideways. Over to the side a little bit. Yeah.
Okay.
Got it? Need a tree saver. Got plenty of rope. Good. Drive. I would put in drive.
Drive.
Flip up. Yeah, put it drive that way. The wheels will spin forward. Help the winch. Yeah, you can gas it a little bit. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Gas, gas. Keep it straight. Straight, keep it straight.
I gotta get your facial expression. I like the camera's not there. I like the camera's not there.
Hey, you made use of your winch.
Yeah, see? Shit, you got it, bro. Otherwise, we would have to dig out the traction board and start digging and
I know.
gonna have to get sweaty. Being hella cold.
You're welcome.
How's that experience for you? Was it scary?
A little bit in the beginning, but I was like, okay. I don't know.
Oh shit, we got something coming down. Those tires, I don't want your thing to get caught. Oh.
Forward, but I'll hit your wrist. Bye. Bye.
Woo, that was close. He barely, did he touch it?
No.
Barely, huh? Yeah. Oh, here, you want me to pull the thing? Out? Yeah, it's out. Oh, it's going in. My bad. Oh, I think there's a tangle in there.
It's coming loose. Go back up.
Come on, Tony, hold on. I'm using the winch. Okay. Passenger. Oh, okay. Stop. Yeah, he's not going fast. Kind of backed up a little bit into the ditch. Danny's gonna try to pull me out. Took a few tugs, but made it work. Yeah, there we go. Got it out.
Get it on prime time, man.
Yes, sir. You know it.
Get it on prime time.
Is that long enough? You got yours on? Oh, you don't have it on yet?
Sliding right there.
Oh, you're sliding?
Yeah.
Okay. That should reach. Oh, how are you gonna do it? Wrap it around twice, or? Let me see here. Ah, here, do it like this. Yeah. I knew he was too. Yeah, Noak's about to hit that because yeah, your back end slides a little bit, right? When you hit that spot right there. Stop. Hold on, Noak. He's gonna reverse. Reverse a little bit, Tony. Oh, you're sliding. Okay. Hold on. You're right on the rope.
No, you're good.
Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let go. Yeah. You don't want to dig yourself any deeper. Hold on, nope. Break out the traction boards.
Put it
You got your 4-wheel on? It's on. Hey, no, slowly, okay?
Slowly, okay.
Yeah. Try not to make your wheel spin. Go ahead. Yeah, some more. Keep on going. Yeah, keep on going. There you go. Like a charm. Oh, stop. Probably gotta dig a little bit more now. Huh? Hold on. Yeah, we gotta dig the wheel, the tires out a little bit more. Oh, hold on. I gotta get your right rear a little bit more. There you go. Keep on going. There you go. Good stuff. All right, so that worked. We tried tugging, but we couldn't do that. That wouldn't work. So we broke out the traction boards. That worked like a charm. So it's all good. It just takes a lot of energy out of you. You gotta dig underneath the tires. Out of breath. Looks like we came to another spot we gotta dig out. Tony's dug out some of his tire, trying to see if he needs help. Does he need any help? Hey, does he need help?
Yeah, I got it. You need help?
Left one in the thing. Good? No time for dancing right now, Danny. Oh, we're trying to break dance, man. What the? Too bad I didn't get that on video. Yeah, use the boards. You want to lay the boards? I think you just need a little bit of movement. I think you should be good.
I think he'd be alright.
Yeah.
You want all of them?
Mm-hmm. Oh, Tori. Hold on. Wheels are spinning. Hold on. Okay. Oh, let me get the other one too. Hold on. All right. Slowly. Oh, it's not gripping that one. Hold on. It's not. That one's not gripping. Let me replace it with this one. And then try to do it slower, Tony. Not too fast, okay?
Is there another one? I think it's still reversed. If you go grip right there,
hey. Hold on. No, we're gonna try it one more time. Try to get it under good, yeah. And then try to do it slow. Hold on. Shit. You wanna try to push? There you go. Keep on coming. Well, you got you out of the first one. Oh, we're not gonna put this one back there? Oh, you do have it back there? No, yeah, you need it on all four. Slowly.
Hell yeah. Are you seeing how the front one sits back there?
Yeah, we just gotta. I think he must have stopped here. Just keep on going. Don't stop. I was able to get out. We got his boards for him. You got his board? Okay. A lot of working today. Jeez. Yeah, nice and sunny now. Woo.
Dang, Kim always gets the big gadgets. I thought it was Rich Man Huh? It's Rich Man Kim.
Is that it? Hit the remote, see if it'll I got hella light here. The top button, hold down the top button until it turns blue. One or the other. The other way. Oh, hold on. Turn your wheel and put it on neutral. Yeah, turn to the right. Yeah. You want to put the max tracks?
Alright.
Or you want to try reverse first? No? I don't know. He's in there hella deep?
Yeah. Oh, is it?
Okay, put some more max tracks. All right. Oh, stop. Reverse. See if you can. Hold on. I would have him reverse because he's getting more. Yeah, he's getting more into the deep snow again.